Hey Georgina, this is Clint Lashley from Digital Infusion, Digital Marketing Solutions. And today I'm going to talk to you about a few things that you can do to boost up your online presence and have you outranking your competition and driving some business to your door. And those three things are content, citations, and backlinks. Now, the reason I shoot this video, it's because this is my way of giving back to business owners and uh, giving them these tips of stuff they can actually go do themselves. And sometimes they take this attack plan and run with it themselves, and sometimes they reach back to me and we work something out. So either way works for me. If you like what you see at the end of the video and you want to speak further, I'd be more than happy to. So to utilize these tips, you're going to need a website, and there's two platforms that I use that are really built for ranking. They're easy to use and they work really well with utilizing these tips. And those two platforms are WordPress and Snaps. And once you start building your page up, you want 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your home page. Given your area, you may want to go more. It all depends kind of on competition. So the front page is the most important. So that's why you want the 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your front page or home page. Um, that's what Google typically likes to see on the homepage because it's the one that gets crawled the most by Google. So you want Google to stay on your site longer and crawl your other pages because it's crawling your content and looking for the keywords that somebody would put in to find your service, like home cleaning OKC. That would be an example of what we call a buyer intent keyword, somebody actually looking for your services. So you want to have that built into your content and be ranking for that. So you type that in the search engine, and then you see, first thing you see here are local ads, and those are local ads being run by businesses they pay to have them run. Then the next thing you see here is the map section, and then down here is the organic section. So this first page of the organic section is what brings the most traffic for a service, especially top these top spots in the organic section. They generate the most traffic for any given search, any given area, any given service. So this is where you want to climb to. So I see here this is happycleans.com. This is would be considered your top competitor. I brought their website up here. Check them out. You kind of see how it's built out. Maybe get an idea of how you want to do it. They got their menu, book now, call there, $20 off. There's their phone number there. There's some service areas, services, book now. So they do have some content, but it does not look like that they have the 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on their front page, so it would be easy to beat them there. But you can see their page is built out pretty nice, and maybe you want to do something similar. Um, I also use a tool called Ahrefs. This tool tells me what's going on with a website and how it's performing per Google. So you see I have Happy Cleans in here, and here they have a UR rating of 41 and a DR of 32. So this is a really powerful website. These are Google's power and trust flow numbers, and being up at a 40 in this area is really good. So they're doing something right. They're getting almost 2,000 backlinks from 430 referring domains. Now, backlinking is like Google's big popularity contest. You want other websites pointing back to you, deeming you the authority in Google's eyes, so Google ranks you up higher in that organic search. You want good relative links, though. You want relative to your industry links. You don't want anything from Pizza Hut or, something broken or spammy or anything like that because that would hurt you. And you can also go after the same links your competitor is using here because if they're powerful enough to rank them, they're going to be powerful enough to rank you. And they're being found for 30, almost 3,400 organic keywords and are generating almost 3,000 traffic to their website in a month. Now that spot's really helping them out. And if we're curious here, click on that. You can bring up their keywords. Here they are. Here's their keywords. This is what they're being found for. So we're gonna select cleaning services, Oklahoma City. That's 450 search volume in a month. Um, and I noticed the area has a lot of cleaning services in Oklahoma City, 450. So that keyword difficulty though, it can take a while to get up. That's what KD stands for, is keyword difficulty. It can take a while to get up to ranking with these difficulties because of your industry. So you might want to get started as soon as possible. But here, OKC cleaning service, 450 search volume, cleaning service OKC, 450, cleaning services OKC, 450. That's all monthly search volume you want to be involved in. So these are all good keywords that you want to build into your content. Um, but yeah, like I said, it takes a while to get ranking on those keywords because of this keyword difficulty. So I would get started. And then once you build out the keywords in your content and do the linking, that's what starts climbing you up higher in this organic section. And then you can do the same thing with Merry Maids or Homemade Better. I mean, that might be, this looks like a directory, so that would be a good thing for a listing, which I'm going to talk about now. So this is where your Google Business Profile comes into play. This map section, you get a Google Business Profile built out, and you have your name, address, and phone number off your Google Business Profile. Um, and then you go get listings and directories such as Yelp, or this looks like a directory here. So get listings, Yelp directories, any directories, social media, any place you can get your name, address, and phone numbers listed off of your Google Business Profile. It's called a citation. Go get as many as you can. Google finds them all, points back to you, and pushes you higher in this map section. So, like I said, if you like what you see and you want to take this attack plan and run with it yourself, I'm totally cool with it. Or if you would like to move forward with me and we can have a little talk and see if we can't come up with a plan to get you built up and ranking. So you can reach me here. This is my website, or you can give me a call, 262-947-4860. Shoot me a message on Messenger or anything else. But yeah, like I said, I'd be happy to help you. Uh, again, my name is Clint Lashley, and my number is 262-947-4860. I thank you for taking the time to watch my video, and I look forward to hearing your feedback. Have a nice day.